Oh, right. I forgot. I'm recording. I'm like, I'm just going down. I'm like, why is my helmet so heavy? Yo, what up, gang? Dude, I forgot. So in my last video, I'm like, oh, I'll talk about that in the next video on the way home. I freaking totally forgot what I was even talking about. And I was on my way back. I was just like scratching my head. I'm like, what was I talking about? Holy crap. I don't even remember. I think it had something to do with like wives or something. I don't even know. And then I almost forgot. I forgot to put my GoPro on. I was talking. I get so sidetracked so easy. And so I'm talking to my some coworkers, and I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta put my GoPro on. And then I forgot I even had it on. And then I forgot what I was gonna talk about. Dude, holy crap. I'm not even like particularly tired or anything, dude. I'm just, apparently I'm just tripping right now. Holy crap, bruh. Sheesh. Damn. Ever since I stopped drinking, my mind's just been blank. Maybe I should start drinking again. I'm just kidding. I mean, I'm not like done drinking, you know what I mean? I decided to I just didn't buy more. That's all. Especially since my wife was on her frickin' period, dude. I was like, I ain't having this evil in the house, you know what I mean? Like, she's all done now, but it's like, I kinda wanna see how long I can ride this thing, you know? Shit. Like, I'm at the point right now where it's like, well, I kinda wanna drink. You know, I wouldn't mind a little vodka soda, you know what I'm saying? But whatever. Whatever. What's that guy's deal? I've seen him just out on his phone all day. He's been, that dude we just passed, I don't know if you saw him because he was wearing green up against the damn bush in the shade. But I saw him over Chunders, 2 streets over earlier. I don't know how long he'd been there, but he was there at frickin' 10, and he was there again at 11:30. Now he's right there, and it's 5 something. Go to the library, bro. You know, shit. Library's cool with homeless. If you're homeless, they're cool with it. You don't need to be outside. I mean, you know, more power to you. Do whatever you want, I guess. But Tango, I thought you hate homeless. No. A certain kind I don't like. I don't trust them. How can you trust them? They're strung out on drugs. Shit. It's like trusting a freaking wild animal. You don't know what they're gonna do. So we're gonna make a quick pit stop. I'm gonna get some nicotine at the nicotine stove. For sure. Look at this guy's get up. Looking good. Look at that. Looking good, bro. With the blue socks. Damn. Looking juicy. Yo, you looking juicy, my boy. Looking good. Gonna make me do something I'm gonna regret. Sheesh. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day so far. It's, for me, Thursday. Just chilling. Tomorrow's the last day of the week. Tomorrow is a late start. Almost every Friday, the school starts an hour later. So I get to sleep in, even though I never really do sleep in. I might lie there for a little a little extra couple minutes longer, but was that a Chevy Nova? Girl. But yeah, I don't really sleep in, you know. I'm up at 4. On the weekends I'm up at 4. I just have to remind myself to go back to sleep. Parking right here. Guess we'll park across the street. Oh, actually, you know what? We could park right there. No, we're already here. Alright, homies. I'll be right back. So the dude I bought my dang nicotine juice from looked like freaking Peter Dinklage. Just like a tall, I mean not tall, he's probably maybe 6 foot. Blonde hair, bushy hair, bushy beard. Peter Dinklage. Interesting. What are we interesting? Anyway, so yeah, I got a boo-boo today, little ouchie on my hand, on my this one, my clutch hand. Luckily it's not my important hand, but I was closing the hood to my bussy. Or no, I was not closing the hood, sorry. I was opening the latches for, in the morning when I do my pre-trip, I can just open the hood. Save me some time. Saved me about 15 seconds. And when I went to open the latch up, the rubber, it's like a rubber coated plasticky type deal. And when I went to open the hinge like that, my hand got caught in it and went and pinched the shit out of my dang hand. Gave me a nice little, I mean, it didn't cut it, it just broke the crap out of the skin. But I'm kind of glad it did that. Otherwise, it may have created a blood blister. And blood blisters, if you've had one, depending on the size, can be super freaking annoying and painful. I don't remember where I had one. Like, I should remember, because it's like the only one I really remember. It was somewhere, I got my foot or something like that, or my knee, somewhere weird. And I just couldn't handle it anymore, because even it got to the point where just like, let's say it was on my hand. I think it was actually on my hand, somewhere. But just opening and closing my hand for, let's say, hurt because of that motherfucker. So I'm like, you know what, screw this. So I got a dang needle, and needles aren't that big if you don't know. Not like a hypodermic needle. Needles are sharp, or syringes are sharp. They sharp. But normal like needles, nah, dog. They're not sharp at all. Bro, I hate that house. We just passed a house back there, and if you were to look at the front of it, it looks like something out of damn Far Cry 5. You know, with the religious cult leaders and stuff. It looks like it's out of that, man, and it stinks. You know that smell of of like mildewy laundry. That's what it smells like. It's just bad. And it's a hoarder house. The house itself is decrepit, falling apart, leaking on the inside. It's not even a house, actually. I think it's more of a barn. It looks like a church, though. It's weird. It's so weird. I've seen the double doors open, and it's just stuffed with shit. But right next to it is a really old, like 1970-something single-wide trailer. And it's just yucky, dude. And just the stink coming out of it. It's like they do laundry, but you know, they leave the laundry in the wash for a day or two too long, and then they throw it in the dryer, and then, oh dude, every time I drive past it, it just stinks. I mean, not every single time, but a lot of the time, dude. When it comes to laundry, like, we're shit at doing laundry, but I don't wash it and forget it. I wash it and I make damn sure it gets into the dryer. Like, that's the bare minimum, is that it gets into the dryer. If it doesn't, well, it goes again. It gets to play in the clothes washing machine washer again. Because I cannot stand mildewy clothes, bro. What's worse, a mildewy towel after you took a shower? Bro. Now you rub mildew all over yourself? Yucky. Yucky, bro. Gross. Just ew. Ew. Gross. Yucky. That's poopy. Gross. I don't play that shit. Yo, dogs. Let's go, baby. We made it. I feel better. For real, I don't know why I feel better. I feel better. Alright. Plan for the rest of my day. I'm gonna go take a shower, because I did not take a shower today. I'm a stinky boy. I went to the gym, and I made sweat happen, and I did not take a shower to clean my body. I've been wearing the same underwear, so I need to go wash my body. And then I'm gonna play Escape from Tarkov with my bro. So yeah, that's about it for me today. I'm sorry, I don't remember what I was talking about in my last video. If you're looking forward to it and you got this crap, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll do better. I'll try to do better. I'll write it down. Anyway, next time on Dragon Ball Z. Will Tango remember what the hell he's talking about? And how did Krillin bag such a piece of ass as Android 18? Find out next time on the next thrilling episode of Dragon Ball Z. Okay, bye. I love you. Bye.